Quick demo.
Excel BI turns MS Office into an executive reporting tool.
You can use Excel BI to create data-enabled PowerPoint presentations, Excel spreadsheets and MS Word documents. Data can be pulled from any JDBC or ODBC compliant databases such as Oracle, SQL Server, DB2. Using Excel BI, you can even connect to SharePoint and pull lists. Creating data-enabled PowerPoint presentations by using multiple slides and column grouping.
This tutorial explains how to create a simple data-enabled PowerPoint presentation by using multiple slides and column grouping. Now, open an existing template.
To use this option, click on the wizard icon.
This will display the wizard window.
In the Welcome tab, click on the Continue button.
This brings us to the Options table.
Here, you have the option to specify if you like to create single or multiple files based on a driving data set. For example, you may want to create quarterly sales report, one report per country. In this case, you need to choose multiple files option.
In this tutorial, let us use the single file option.
Similarly, you can create single or multiple slides based on a driving data set.
In this tutorial, let us use the multiple slide option.
Next, click on Continue button.
This takes us to the next tab, which is Multi-Slides tab.
This tutorial assumes you have an Oracle database. Click on Out-of-Box Driver Radio button.
Choose an existing connection from the list.
Click on the Execute button.
Now, lists of tables are displayed from the chosen database.
Choose the required table. You can choose by double-clicking or by dragging and dropping a table.
This displays the filter pop-up.
If you need to apply any filters, you may do so now.
Once done, click on the Apply button.
Now, data is displayed from the table. SQL query can be changed based on the driving object and driving column. Now execute the SQL query.
Map the company name column to the driving object and driving column.
Cross-check the mapped column.
Next, click on the Continue button.
This takes us to the next tab, which is Build Reports tab.
Now, lists of tables are displayed from the chosen database.
Choose the required table. You can choose by double-clicking or by dragging and dropping a table.
This displays the filter pop-up.
Choose the dynamic variable based on the column names.
Once done, click on the Apply button.
Now, data is displayed from the table.
Now, you can attach a data object to this PowerPoint table.
To do so, click on a table cell and click on the data column, and click on the Insert Data icon.
Select the multiple columns whichever you want, then select the required table cells on which you want to insert the data and click on Insert Column button.
This takes us to the next tab, which is Multi-Slide Sort tab.
Now, you can enter the number of column as per your requirement.
In this column grouping, select the object as per your requirement and click on the Capture button.
Repeat the steps for grouping more columns.
Next, click on the Continue button.
This takes us to the next tab, which is Preview tab.
Here, let us see how to find values using formulas.
To find some value, first select the cells as per the need and then choose Insert Formula from Excel BI menu.
formula window appears, choose some option and the selected cells are reflected in the cell address.
Note that the cursor has to be placed in the cell where we want the sum value has to be displayed and click Save button.
To format the dynamic data, click on the Format icon in Excel BI ribbon.
For currency format, click on the sales amount column, then click on the Save button.
Now, select the shape object and go to Insert Variable in Excel BI menu in the ribbon. Choose the driving column.
We are ready to preview the report we just created. To do so, click on the Preview button.
Now, Excel BI generates the PowerPoint presentation by pulling the data from the database dynamically.
Files are generated based on driving columns. Once this process is completed, open the file.
You will see the PowerPoint table is populated with data pulled from the database.
Finally, use the Run icon from the Excel BI ribbon to generate the PowerPoint file.
This concludes the demo. For more information, visit our gallery.
We hope you enjoyed this demo. For further details, please contact